Style is a way to say who you are without speaking. You can have anything you want in life if you dress for it. Every season, whenever I start my journey of making new collection, I always keep my end client, final result client in my mind. As a designer, we always have to modify. I tell you again, we have to modify whatever is served in forecast. Hello fashion seekers, I'm again here with the new video on the analysis of blouses, tops for the season SS21. In case you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video so that you can get the latest updates. Thank you. Let's start our video by giving the credit to the resources I looked into for my research work. You can visit the same sites if you want for more information. In this video, every action point is further classified into two groups. One is key shape and another is runway. Next two slides are the brief of what is further in the video. One is key shape and one is the runway. That is what is there in the WGSM or other websites and how that keynote has been used in runway. This will help us to know how the key points, the keynotes, the guidelines can be executed in the garments which we make for the collection. Let's start with our first action point, that is gathered top. Now what is gathers? Gathers is a point where too much of fabric is stitched together to give a bulky look, to give the look of excess fabric. As you see in this mood board, we have a gathered look on the sleeves, on the armhole, on the neck area, on the front area. This will be the guideline in a collection in case we use a concept of gather in our tops, then we can use this mood board. Now we have to see how the designers have used the same gather concept in their collections. As you can see in the first picture, the designer has used the concept of gathers on the center part of the sleeves, and in the second picture the designer has used the concept of gather in the form of pleat, and that has been attached in the armhole. In this slide you can see in the first picture, designer has used gathered ruffle in the neck and bottom of the garment, and gathers has been used in the inner part of the sleeves. In the same way, in the second picture you can see the gathers ruffle has been used on the center part of the sleeves. In this way, gathers can be a decorative gathers which can enhance the beauty of the garment. In the second slide, the designer has used the concept of gathers in the center front of the sleeves and as well as in the armhole of the sleeves to give the look of mutton sleeves, short sleeves, or you can also say a puff sleeves, but right word is mutton sleeves. In the next picture, the designer has used the concept of gathers to achieve a look of a bishop sleeves. In the same time, they have used the gathered concept in the ruffles to give a decorative look to the garment. In the next slide, we can see that the garment has been ruched with the concept of gathers in the front, which give a look of ruching, but it's not ruching, it's gathers. Seekers, let me brief you one thing very clearly, that a detailed analysis of the runway will be done in my next video where we can study about each and every designer and what they have proposed in the runway. Next topic to discuss is broderie analysis, which is also called embroidery with eyelets, cut works. This is very delicate work, and these days these are preferred to be done by machine to achieve that delicate look. In upcoming slides, we will know how the designer has used this concept in their collection and how they have achieved the same. While analyzing the runway for the broderie concept, we can understand that what technique, what placement and what artwork the designer has used while making their collection. From taking the inspiration from that, and putting our own spices and our own modification, we can make our own collection as per the trend. Action point is sheer blouses, that is translucent blouses. In this we can use lightweighted fabrics or fabrics which can seen through, like chiffon, georgette or mesh, any fabric which can be translucent or can be seen through. Let's start analyzing the runway for sheer fabrics. In this first picture you can see a simple silhouette with the smocking and ruffle on the waist, whereas in the second picture you can see a simple top with the smocking on the neck and on the sleeves with their small ruffles on the edges. In the next slide we can see the top is simple but the sheer fabric which has been used is mesh, whereas in the next picture we can see a simple fabric, sheer fabric with detailing on the neck, front and sleeves. In next slide we can see the designer has used dotted mesh, or you can say dotted fabric with pleat, ruffles, smocking, everything in that. And in the picture just next to it we can see a shirt with simple front collar and the sleeves have all the detailing of ruffles. Next element which is introduced in forecast is front bows. These bows can be small, big, any size, but it has to be bow look shape and it should be on the front of the garment. To further analyze this concept, let's see how designers has implemented this bow in their garment. In first picture you have seen a bow in a form of tie-up, and in second picture you can see the bow concept has been used on the sleeves part. If we go to the next slide, we see there is a big bow in the front. It's not basically a bow, tie-up bow, it's a show bow, but it is a bow. And in next picture we can see we have a bow on the side of the waist. It's a tie-up bow, it's a functional bow, not show bow but functional bow. In next slide we see a very beautiful bow in the neck area. It's a show bow and it's beautifully constructed to look like a bow. Next slide is basically on ponchos. In the forecast this season, ponchos has been introduced. What is ponchos? Ponchos are the basically outerwear of the garment to keep our body temperature high, to make us feel warm. Basically in this season denims are in as per the forecast, and we found the same in runway also. We have washed denim, we have textured denim, we have printed denim in the runway. But other than denim, there are many other fabrics also which has been introduced by different designers in ponchos. So we can't say in this forecast in this season only denim ponchos are in, but there are other fabric also which can be used for making the ponchos. I end my video. In my next upcoming video we will analyze about the dresses in the forecast. In case you like the video and need further updates, do like, share, comment and let me know what you want to know further. Thank you. See you soon.